Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna go pick up the trailer with the Avalanche. Now unfortunately last night that actually had a flat tire. If you can see, there's some plugs there. For some reason the first two plugs didn't plug it, and I don't know if I missed it or not, so I put a third one in there and it finally stopped. Now I know that's not the right way of doing things, but I'm gonna take a chance with that. We also have the air tank pressure thing with us, so in case of a flat, I'll just plug it up and keep going again. We're just gonna take a chance. John is gonna be with me, so that way I'm not alone in case of an emergency. So let's go pick up this trailer, and then we'll head to Matt to pick up the geotracker. I'll see y'all when I get there. Alrighty guys, so here we are at U-Haul waiting to pick up this trailer. It looks like no one has reserved it, so it's sitting right there. I'm gonna wait to see when this lady gets back, because I got greeted by this note here. Went to go pick up some kids from school. They'll be right back, so I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit until we see if someone pulls up, and if not, then I'll leave and come back a little bit later. But trying to get that bad boy right there to hook up to that bad boy right there. Alrighty guys, so we just got here by Matt. We're gonna pick up the geotracker now. Funny thing, we ended up finding out that the geotracker could be worth a lot of money. The lady who sold us the U-Haul ended up saying that someone came and offered her $15,000 for her geotracker, and it was automatic 4-wheel drive. Mine just stick 4-wheel drive. So now I'm on the fence if I should continue with this build, or should I make this original again and put it back together, clean it up really nice, and see what I can get for it. Because $15,000 for a potential $15,000 for this geotracker can lead me into better builds and have some money to just maybe get 2 project cars or get 1 project car and really do something sick. So I'm kind of on the fence about this. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, if I should just put it back to original and sell it and get that money, or continue with the build. Let me know what you guys think. Alrighty guys, so here we are. We finally got back home. Obviously it's dark. We got there a little bit late, had to wait on Matt, and now we are here home. And unfortunately, remember when I told you that the rear tire was flat and we plugged it? Well, when we got to Matt's place, it started to hiss a little bit, and we were a little scared. So what we did was pump it up to like 40 pounds, because it was a really slow leak, and we just took our shot and drove an hour and a half through highways, through back roads, through all kinds of stuff, and we made it home. So, and it's still not flat, so we think, I don't know if I'm hearing it hissing or that's sprinklers. We think it should be okay, but I'll obviously check it in the morning, and if I cannot repair it, then I'll take it to a shop. So here we go. Geotracker's here, Avalanche is there. It's gonna be making its way in the garage to be completed and fixed. But before I return this U-Haul tomorrow, I am gonna use it to my convenience. So what I plan to do tomorrow is get underneath here with my pressure washer and spray the underneath of the vehicle. It is the perfect, best opportunity I have at the moment to do that, because look at all this ground clearance that I have here. I have an insane amount of ground clearance, and I can clean up the entire underneath, get rid of all the mud, all the little dirt. The frame is surprisingly clean, if you guys have remembered from the last episodes, but I can finally clean it out completely with the pressure washer, make sure it's all good and stuff under there, make sure there's nothing living and hiding under there, and then we can pull it into the garage, and then I'll return the U-Haul and start again for the next episode. So guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. I know we didn't do anything but get it, and you just heard me talk throughout the whole thing. If you did enjoy this episode, please make sure to leave a like in the video, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Should I restore this back to the original way and potentially get $15,000 for it? Because apparently that's what people are offering for this out here in Florida. Or should I just continue with my build? Now, me personally, honestly, I'd rather put it back to original and get $15,000, because now I can buy something even better than this and, you know, do a better cooler build, make a little drift car, do something cool, and use that money for a down payment on my new car. That would be awesome as well. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and we'll go from there. Other than that, I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.